Welcome to VV in 3, where in 3 minutes you will learn about upcoming events, hear hot topics, and learn about great vegan-friendly restaurants in upstate South Carolina and other areas. I'm your host, Deandra Reasonable Winjobi with VV Spot, where people find healthy food.
Are y'all ready for some bowls? I'm not talking about any football bowls. I'm talking about plant-based bowls you can find all across the upstate at your favorite restaurants. These bowls are some of the healthiest options you can have when dining out. They include grains, great protein sources like beans, chickpeas, tofu tempeh, just all around a very nutritionally valuable source of food. Check these places out where you can find some plant-based bowls.
Farm Fresh Fast is where you can find affordable plant-based bowls ranging from $6 to $8. Bowls include General Tso, Power Bowl, and more. Happy in Hell has filling bowls with great toppings like falafel and butternut squash hummus. Green Fetish is new to the group, having yummy bowls that you can build and some already vegan like the Veganizer. Southern Prosciuttery actually has smoothie bowls that are quite filling. They still contain grains and vegetables while tasting like a dessert. Other smoothie bowl places include Sweet Berry Bowls, Health in Hand, and Kuka Juice. A few more places you can find healthy and good-tasting bowl options include Clean Juice, Poke Brothers, Chipotle, Moe's, Kairos, Genghis Grill, and Whole Foods Market. Visit vv-spot.com and click our featured VV Spot restaurants to see a list of vegan-friendly restaurants by category.
Several of the places mentioned accept the Carolina Veg discount card. This discount card only costs $10, and you can get 10% off at several of your favorite restaurants, including Farm Fresh Fast, Thai Vegan, and even Elia's Kitchen. Check out the comment section below to learn more about the discount card and how you can access yours. There's just one upcoming event this week, and it's going to be held on September 12th at 5:30 p.m. in Spartanburg. It's called the Cooking Demo and Tasting by Urban Eats. It'll be held at Spartanburg Regional in the Gibbs Cancer Center.
That's it for us. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. We will catch you back next week. Thanks for watching VV in 3.